This one event just changed the world of NFTs forever, guys. And today I'm going to be telling you how you can take advantage of it. Now, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm coming back to you kind of in the old style, old form of my old type of videos. I used to make a lot of NFT videos, and we're back again because some huge news just hit the market, and you guys are going to want to hear about this. What's up, guys? It's Zoro coming to you guys from the bottom of my mother's basement. Not actually, but I do have some very, very exciting news for you guys in the world of NFTs. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and hop right into it. So if you guys haven't heard, also with the release of Aptos and Facebook and their whole cryptocurrency, which I'm not terribly big on because there's a large portion of private investors that hold it, so at any time it could just dump. But that is not what we're here to talk about today. Today we're here to talk about Reddit and their NFT Marketplace, which has absolutely been soaring recently. They've hit a total of over 2.5 million wallets and $6.5 million in traded volume on their profile picture NFTs. Now, if you do not know, Reddit is a popular platform filled with multiple different forums and subreddits, and it's just a discussion platform basically. But they've recently taken advantage of the NFT technology and integrated it into their platform. Now, how did they do this, you might ask? Well, Reddit is very well known for having avatars for each person. You can customize your avatar with like different traits and everything like that, making it a perfect place for the integration of NFT technology. So what did they do? They went ahead and partnered with some of the top artists and creators on the platform to create multiple different collections of different avatars and profile pictures and everything like that. So of course, these NFTs are in the form of Reddit avatars. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people that know about NFTs, you think you have to have a complex contract like staking and all these other complex mechanics, but it's actually a lot more simple than that. And I think Reddit executed on it perfectly, and I do believe that this is the future of the NFT technology. They made it extremely simple for someone to create a wallet. They have their marketplace built into their website. And then they made it extremely streamlined for people who are not familiar with the technology to still purchase. They could purchase with credit cards and debit cards. They didn't need to buy all of this cryptocurrency at an exchange and transfer this, transfer that, do all this complicated wallet stuff, private keys, blah, 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 blah. Reddit made it an extremely and easy process for people to use, which is where the future of NFTs is going. It's not about these complex mechanics. It's about making it as easy as possible for Web 2 people to onboard into the technology. Now, their marketplace is based on Polygon, which means it's gasless. Polygon is based off of Ethereum, so it is a gasless marketplace pretty much. And the NFT marketplace for them was released back in July, but it's really just now starting to pick up steam, even coming for some of the top blue chip projects on Ethereum like Bored Apes and other blue chips out there. Now guys, this just goes to show the power of monetizing a community. Reddit has been a website that's been around since basically the dawn of the internet, it seems like. They're basically ancient, like prehistoric at this point, but that does come with its own benefits. The fact is that they've built a community of millions upon millions of users, and when you have a community like that, especially one that's passionate about the website and about the subreddits that they're a part of, you are able to monetize and convert that community into customers, which is exactly what Reddit did flawlessly. So no more of these degen projects, cash grab and don't sell out. We're talking ease of access, monetizable community, great NFT launch. We've also seen the integration of this with things like Starbucks. Now, they're not calling it NFTs, but their reward system is utilizing the technology on the blockchain, and that is where this is all going. The question is, how can you take advantage of this? The first would be learning as much as you can about the technology. What we need to do is learn about how to utilize the technology and integrate it into current payment processors and integrate it into current operational systems. And what I mean by this is taking what is already built for us and just bringing it over to Web3. This doesn't mean creating something completely new. It's making it as easy to use as possible and as accessible to the public as possible, because in truth, the public is the mass adoption. Although we're in a bear market, I do not see NFTs going anywhere anytime soon. I do see degen projects kind of starting to trend on the low, and a lot of people kind of starting to wake up to the fact that a lot of those are cash grabs and that there's not actually a solid project that's based behind them. But I don't believe that the technology is going anywhere. The technology is absolutely revolutionary. We're going to see it implemented in things like real estate, music events, and everything like that. So if you can learn about the technology, you can monetize that skill set, and you can offer it to other Web 2 businesses and implement it into their current operational systems, which is going to be where the money is. But anyways, guys, that is the news for today. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And also let me know what you guys think about Aptos. Are you for or against it? Do you think it's a pump and dump? Personally, I'm calling it Aptos Autumn, and I think it's an absolute pump and dump. But be sure to let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Without further ado, if you like this video, be sure to leave it a like for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another upload. And without further ado, I will see you guys later.